How to change Apple ID without losing data. There are several ways to change your Apple ID without sacrificing your precious data. Next, we will explore these methods and offer helpful tips to safeguard your iOS data throughout the procedure. Part 1. How to change Apple ID without losing data via iCloud on iPhone. When you disable iCloud Sync on your iPhone, you will be prompted to choose whether to keep the data on the device. If you select to keep the data, you can then transfer the iCloud data to new iPhone using a different Apple ID. Part 2. How to make a new Apple ID without losing everything via iCloud.com on PC. Changing your Apple ID on a PC shouldn't be a difficult task. However, it's important to emphasize the significance of performing a backup prior to the process to guarantee the security of your data. Part 3. How to make a new iCloud without losing everything via appleid.apple.com on PC Mac. If you no longer have access to the email address associated with your Apple ID, you can change it by visiting Apple's Manage Your Apple ID page on a Windows PC or Mac. Part 5. What to do after changing Apple ID. 1. Sign out of old Apple ID, then sign in with new Apple ID on all devices. 2. Adjust iCloud settings based on preferences. Update payment info. Re-download purchased content. 3. Reauthorize devices. Notify contacts and service providers of new Apple ID. Additional tip. How to transfer data from one Apple ID to another. Mobikin Transfer for mobile. This powerful data transfer program enables you to seamlessly copy data from one iDevice to another, even if they have different operating systems or Apple IDs.